Students rejoice as the government announced the closure of all schools effective immediately. The Ministry of Education says as of Friday, March 13, all public schools, including Teachers College, community-based and early childhood institutions, will be closed for 2 weeks.
As of tomorrow, schools will be officially closed for a period of 14 days. We will review this decision after 10 days.
I eat out the fridge now 1 week, and the next week we don't know how it's going to go. The bills are going to sky high.
Prepare for a total lockdown if COVID-19 cases spike rapidly.
Wearing of masks is now mandatory in all public places.
That warning from Prime Minister Andrew Holness, even as parliamentarians call for stronger penalties for those who breach quarantine rules.
You good, bro? What's up? Bro, it's just school, you know? The school thing, this global pandemic. I'm sick and tired of it, man. Today I got my report card and I looked on my report. The passing mark is 80%. I got 79.9. I think it's funny. You need Jesus. Well, sometimes things happen in this world. We have to ask why. Why do our loved ones die? Why do we get old? It has been a long time now since COVID-19 is here. We can't do nothing about it. It's been here for a while, yes, but who knows if you will be here or I will be here tomorrow. You see, you have to just learn to enjoy the simple things in life. You probably worked hard, yes, but probably not with intelligence. You see, work to get 90% next time, 90 and even more above. Believe that you can do it. Life's too short to complain. Learn from your mistakes and move on. Have faith, never lose hope, because one day it will pay off. Think positively in everything you do, because at the end of the day, you'll be gone. You'll no longer be here with us. I can say so much, but no more. But it's up to you how you decide to live your one life that you have. No matter the obstacles that may face your way on your journey, it's natural, but always believe that you can do it, and don't ever give up. Don't let this global thing defeat your purpose, because you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Good luck.